In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a product ID on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, knowing how to quickly locate product IDs can be a crucial part of managing your online store, especially when integrating with third-party apps or analyzing product data. So let's dive in and walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This serves as the main hub for all your store's activities, where you can manage everything from product listings to customer orders. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Shopify login URL, followed by entering your store's credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on the home page, the gateway to managing your e-commerce operations. With the Shopify admin page open, the next step is to locate and click on the Products tab. You'll find this in the main menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Clicking here will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you've currently got listed in your store. This includes every variant and item you have for sale, essentially the entire catalog at your disposal. Now, with your product list on display, it's time to identify the specific product for which you'd like to find the ID. For this tutorial, let's consider we're looking for the product ID of an item named Example Shirt 2. Simply scroll through your product list or utilize the search bar at the top to quickly locate Example Shirt 2. Once you've found it, click on the product name to delve deeper into its individual details page. Upon reaching the product details page, which showcases everything from product descriptions to images and pricing, you're almost there. This page is crucial as it holds all the essential data about the product, including, you guessed it, the product ID. To find the ID, take a quick look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This string of characters uniquely identifies the web page you're on, but within it, you'll find a specific segment that denotes the product ID. It's typically a number located near the end of the URL. While it might not be immediately obvious, with a keen eye and a little practice, you'll spot it in no time. And there you have it, the product ID for Example Shirt 2 found quickly and effortlessly. Keep in mind that being able to find product IDs efficiently can be invaluable for tasks such as syncing product data with external tools, troubleshooting, or even setting up advanced store functionalities. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial on finding product IDs in Shopify. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and has empowered you to navigate your Shopify store with greater confidence. Keep exploring and always make sure to check back for more insightful tips on managing your online store effectively.